Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Still Benny of Benny's Kitchen. So today's recipe is Agidi Jollof. If you are in Nigeria, you should know what is called Agidi Jollof. Back in the days, kids used to save money so they could buy this Agidi Jollof. Then if you go to the village, your grandmother would always make this Agidi Jollof for you. So today I'm going to be making Agidi Jollof the way my grandmom taught me how to make it. So we are going to be using some biscuit bones. These are the biscuit bones here. It's going to be seasoned and boiled. Then this is our akamu, pap or ogi, anyone you choose to call it. You get this akamu from making your akamu from corn. You keep your corn in water for like 3 days. You wash it out, you blend it, and you sieve out, and this is the akamu that you have. I think I have a video on that. You can go and check it on how to make akamu. Then this is my blended pepper, tomatoes, bell pepper, red bell pepper, ginger and garlic. That is what I have in here. Then salt to taste, onions for the meat seasoning, vegetable oil, then seasoning for the bones. I have cube there, I have thyme, and I have curry. Then the other seasoning is for the stew. So guys, what I'll do first is to boil the biscuit bone. So it's already washed and cleaned. So it's going into the pot now. Then I'll add in some salt. Then I'll add in the chopped onions. Then the seasoning, I'm using just 1 cube, don't over spice it. Then thyme and curry. So that's what I'll use to season it. Then I'll just add little water into the pot because I don't really need too much of the meat stock. So I'll add some water. Then I'll take it to the gas cooker to start cooking. So this is the meat now. It's boiling. It will take some time, like about 20 to 30 minutes to boil, so it will be soft. You don't want to eat hard biscuit bone in your Agidi Jollof, so it will now boil for like 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, while the meat is boiling on the fire, let me prepare the leaves we are using. This is the leaf that we use to prepare moi moi. You can use this leaf, or you can use the plantain leaves. Or if you don't have any of this, you can use a plastic rubber to just put them, and when it solidifies, you bring it out. I've had this leaf in my freezer for over months now, and it's still looking okay. So you can always preserve your leaf by using newspaper to wrap it very well and put in a cellophane, tie it to be tight, then put it there. It can last as long as 6 months, 1 year in your freezer, because it's not all the time you get to see this moi moi leaves. So you just wash it very well so you take any particles in it. My people, our Agidi Jollof is on the way. But before I continue, if you are joining me for the first time, please subscribe. If you've been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing, and always give my video a thumbs up. So guys, the meat, the biscuit bone is already cooked. Now I want to make the sauce. So the pot on the fire now, I'll just add in my vegetable oil. Allow it to get hot. So the oil is hot now, and I'll pour in my blended tomatoes, red bell pepper, onions, ginger and garlic. So you cover the pot now and let it start cooking. Wow, see what we have here. So now I'll season this. I'm going to be using cube, curry and all-purpose and chicken powder to season. Then I'll add some salt, Easy because we are going to be using the meat stock and there is salt already. So this is the stock I have. I'll just sieve it in because I don't want any particles to be inside. I'll stir, then I'll check for salt. This is our ogi. You have to stir it very well to take out any lump, so your agidi won't form seed. So you can see that everything is so okay now, there's no lump in it. Then we'll now add boiling water to make our pap before I now turn on the gas for it to start cooking. So now there's no lump, there's no seed in here. I'll just turn in hot water. So I'm adding the hot water now so it can solidify. You have to add hot boiling water. Yeah. So now turn the gas on and start cooking. My people, so this is what we are having now. I'm cooking the pap now. You have to cook until it forms like this. You can see there's no seed inside here. So you have to keep stirring until it solidifies very, very well. Guys, for you to know that your akamu is well cooked, you get cold water, take some and drop in. You can see it's floating, the akamu is floating here. So you know that it is cooked now. So I will now add in our tomato sauce and keep stirring. I'll start adding our sauce. You don't have to add the biscuit bone now until when you want to start wrapping. You can see our agidi. You have to pour in the tomato so everything gets so red. Stir very well. So guys, you want to start wrapping the agidi and you have to be fast before it solidifies inside the pot. This is the leaf now. You take two like this, then form a cone. You form a cone like this, then take it to the back like this, then pour in your batter or your agidi. Then taking your biscuit bone, this is our biscuit bone, and you pour it in, then add in another to cover the bone. Guys, and this is what we have. We now keep it for hours until it now solidifies very well. Then our agidi jollof is ready. Are you seeing this? This is what we have now. So you keep on wrapping until you are done. But some people will take cellophane like this. If you don't have the leaf, they'll take the cellophane like this and add. When this thing is hot, and add like this. Add your biscuit bone, then add another, and then tie. Are you seeing what? My people, come and see our agidi jollof. Well set. Can you imagine? It brings back memories. When we were in primary school, we used to save our money just to buy this agidi jollof. This is what I have in my kitchen today. So let us start by unveiling the one that I used the leaf to wrap. This is the one that I use the cellophane to wrap, and the one here is the one I just put in this bowl. So guys, can you please unveil this our Agidi jollof with me? Yeah. Woo! See how beautiful the face is. Choo! Guys, Agidi jollof. Whoa! This is not what you use fork to eat, so you have to use your hand to eat so you can just enjoy it very, very well. I've unveiled this one. Then this is the one I have in the bowl. Let me just turn it out. Wow! Can you see? If you don't have your leaf, you can use any bowl to put it there. Then let me unwrap this one now. Wow! Please keep liking my videos and keep sharing. See our Agidi jollof. Guys, what do you think about our Agidi jollof? Tell me, try it, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, let me have a feel of this our Agidi jollof. Like I said, it's not what to use your fork to eat, it's what to use your hand to eat. So let me just try this one. I can see the biscuit bone in it. Wow! Tan. So yummy. So guys, just try yours and let me know how you did it. Thanks for watching me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.